Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to be trying something new, a vegan chocolate cake. So I'm going to be using one of Falcon's new countertop convection ovens, the FE2M. One of the common questions we get about this oven is, can it bake? So hopefully I'll be able to answer that for you today. It's my first time trying it out, it's quite exciting. I'll link the recipe in case you want to have a go for yourself. Well, let's go through some of the features of the FE2M. It's been designed with ease of use in mind, and this includes cleaning. Also, it's so handy that it just runs on a 13-amp plug, and it even comes with a 1.8 meter cable. You can essentially install it wherever you want. The LEDs are really bright, which is so helpful when you're baking, because you don't want to open and close the oven door. So to be able to look in, see what's happening, it's excellent. I'm really happy with the oven's performance here. So can it bake? Well, the answer is yes. You can see for yourself. Thanks for watching.